Hello, I'm back for part 5 of the Blender car modeling interior modeling tutorial part 5. So last time we left off we did this actual basically interior. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the interior of this thing right here. So we're just going to go into here and we're going to be selecting this. Go duplicate. And maybe I'm just going to go into here and go inverse, hide. And just bring that in like that. And I'm gonna hold down shift and right click to select all of these, which I'm assuming you already know how the fundamental basics of Blender already, pretty much. Or we can hold down Alt key and select all of these, but we're gonna move that like that. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this entire face and go CTRL for link selection and select the entire thing. Go extrude Z-axis like that. Move that right about there. Move this right here and move that in there, I think. And move that right there, and now we're just going to hit scale and we're going to scale this down right about there. And move this right about here. And we have that now selected, so now I'm just going to go into here and kind of delete all of these. Actually, I'm going to leave that right there. Actually, I'm going to actually select this and just kind of delete all of this. I'm just going to hit X for delete. X for delete, or you could hit the delete on the keyboard and just like delete that. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going into CTR tab for edge selection, and we're going to select this entire edge right here. And now I'm just going to go CTR1 for side selection, and now I'm just going to go extrude like that. And I'm just going to hit R for rotate and rotate that incremental like that. And move this right about there, where that's facing that right there. CTR1, extrude, move that up like that, move that exactly like that, and move that top, and I'm just going to move that like that. And now I'm just going to select this, and first of all, before I do anything with this, I'm just going to go CTRR for loop selection and put a couple loops right there. Move this CTR1 like that, grab like that, grab like this, grab like this, move that down like that, like that, like that pretty much, and we're gonna move that like that, so we have this section right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here and I'm going to select this like that, and now I'm just going to move that and go into CTR1 right there, and I'm going to try to extrude that like that, rotate this like that, move that into here like that. Actually, I'm going to move that even up more like that, and I'm just going to select this and move that in like that. So we got this entire edge selected right here. And now I'm just going to select this, go CTR1. So I hold down the Alt key while I was selecting that entire thing, and now I'm going to hit E for extrude and move that right about there. Top. Kind of like that. But we're going to move this like that, and CTR, select, hold down the Z button, select wireframe mode, and we're going to hold down the C key to select these, and I'm going to move that right there and hold down the Z key and hit solid right there. Go Z, go like that, select that right there, hold down to CTR key right there, and go grab right there. Like that. And move that right about there. And select these. Hold down the Z key for wireframe. Hold down the Z key, and we're going to select this. What's your shortcut key for wireframe, I would say? It's basically either 6. How can I explain it? CTR 6, or let me try to see Z. So you can hit like wireframe Z, or if you hold down this, you hit 2 right there, and it automatically selects it like that. But this is like the selection that we want to have so far right there. And we want to try to do this one too as well. So we want to select this right here, and I'm just going to select this. This can also be re-edited again in the future if we wanted to. So I'm just going to hit CTR Z, going to go duplicate like this. that like that. And now I'm just gonna move this right here. Like that. And now select this. CTR select hide. Select this right here. Go alt hide right there. And now I'm just going to select this entire face. Go Shift C for select that entire face. And now I'm going to go hit CTR link right there. CTR 1 right there. And I'm just going to hit extrude right here. And just kind of like grab that and move this and go rotate like that, I think, and kind of grab that and move that kind of right there. So we want to kind of have this more in the middle, right about there, I think. So we have that edge right there ready to be used. Maybe put like another loop right there and move that out more like this. But pretty much, yeah, that's one of the ways to do it, I think. And I'm just going to go CTRC. Like that. And now I'm just going to go into here. Move that like that, pretty much. Like that. Move one right here. Like that. And I'm just going to add another loop. Move that. Go CTR like that. Go grab like this, I think. CTR 1. Grab like that pretty much. CTR 1. Go in here, and I'm just gonna go delete like that face. Go into here, select, inverse, hide. So I'm just gonna go into here, delete these, X. Actually, I'm going to keep that. X, face. me see how much time we have left. Wow, we have 15 minutes. So that's almost done right there. And I'm just going to go into here. So I wanted to touch more right about here, somewhere right there. So I want to do a little bit of editing towards this because this right here is supposed to go and touch this part right about here. So I have to do a little bit of editing. So I have to take this piece right here as well as that piece, and I had to go into here and go hide selection right there. Like that. So looks like that. So now go into here. And we select that right there, CTRC. Grab right there. Solid. And now we're just going to move that. Move that right in here. Like that. Move this in like that. Move that like that. Like that. Guess this is how the way you would do the car interior like that, I think. Just have to move a little bit of these down so they don't go through the window. Just kind of move that like that. So I want this to come about right about extrude x-axis move that right about move this a little bit down like that. Move this. Just gonna select this and move this, I think, right about there, I think. Like that. Just gonna go into here and go bridge. Just gonna go into here, and that's like one of the things we got done right there. And now since I've did that, now I'm just gonna go into here and go like that to kind of add edge increase. So just want to make sure that nothing is protruding out of this. So I guess nothing. Guess we're good. Yeah, we're pretty much good. The interior is going to be going right about here somewhere. Actually, I might end up taking this and fixing this up a little bit more. Now I'm just going to go into here. Wireframe. just move that down like that. I'm just gonna go into this. So that's pretty much good. We've gotten everything right there. The only thing I have to do is maybe add the interior thing right here. And I guess that's pretty much wraps up for part 5 of this tutorial. Just gonna move that down like that. And that wraps up part 5 of this tutorial. Now the only thing we're gonna be doing next is we're going to be doing, for example, after the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to continue to go on into here, and we're going to continue to model this piece right here and do the back of this in part 6, and we're going to continue to do the back of this in part 6, and this entire thing right here we're going to do. We're going to finish this back piece right here. That's going to be used for this back piece right here. Let me try to see something right here. So I'm just going to actually go into here. I might actually end up extruding this a little bit out more right here to complete this entire piece right here. But yeah, the next piece what we're going to be doing is we're going to do the back of this piece right here. That's going to go on. So we're going to do this like entire ledge. So we're done almost this entire ledge right here. So let me try to get a better picture. We're going to do the back of this piece right here. And that's what we're going to do for this Honda Civic on our next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I really can help you out a lot. And please subscribe to my tutorial. And please put likes if you like. Or if you like to subscribe, put subscribes, whatever. And please view my tutorials. I'd really appreciate that. And I hope I can help you a lot. And I hope this tutorial helps you out a lot. Thank you. Goodbye.